My 2016 Chevy Colorado, the screen here, it just started ghosting. And what I mean by that is you'd plug into your phone and Apple Play would be up and it would flip between Maps and Pandora. It would randomly call people. It would take a destination set into your maps and stop it and put a different one in. It would flip through channels and was starting to drive me nuts. Did some research on it. Very, very common, I'm finding out from this. Bottom line is there's a really simple fix. Just got finished replacing the old touchscreen glass digitizer. This piece right here fits behind this whole console. Now there's a couple, 2 or 3 really good videos online already that'll show you how to take this out. Tools that we used were this to get up into the trim. Then once you pop off this trim, and I would recommend starting up here where it's easy to get into and go down your sides and finish here, it'll pop out. Once you get that, there are 4 7mm bolts. Your nut driver, shout out to Harbor Freight. Pull those 4 bolts out, grab the radio, and it will pop right out along with your climate. Now there's 3 electrical hookups back here. Those videos also show how to disconnect them. Be careful on how you do. One's kind of tough. And then the last tool that you need is a number 10 Torx. It's a very small torque, and that's for the back of the radio. Once you see that, you'll see this glass digitizer, and then I just basically took a scraper, put it behind here, pried it out, and it came off in one sheet. Hook it up to the back of the radio and just put it together in reverse order. It's very easy. And once again, shout out to the guys who showed this. Simple fix, $21. Dealer wanted $1,000 to replace a stereo, $500 from Crutchfield, $1,500 locally. Had it in for a couple of days, works great, good clarity. Thought I'd save you some money. Until next time.